Now that you have passed your audition, you can begin voice banking. To start recording, select a story. When reading aloud, we sometimes fill in words. Make sure to read the sentences exactly as you see them. Some people tell us they read the sentences silently before reading it aloud. Remember to click record to start, and once again when you want to stop. The hawthorn is dead, the rose leaves have fled. It's important that you listen to your recordings to ensure they are clear. The hawthorn is dead, the rose leaves have fled. If your recordings have static, background noise, or low sound, it will affect the quality of the voice we can build. If you need a redo, just click record and reread the sentence. The hawthorn is dead, the rose leaves have fled. The hawthorn is dead, the rose leaves have fled. Make it a habit to listen after every 10 recordings or so to make sure you're still on track.